Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a folder on ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to create a folder on ClickUp, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening the ClickUp application you will get to see this homepage at first. Now you just simply have to click into the sidebars at the top left corner, and after tapping into there you will get the option of spaces into here. Just simply tap into that spaces button and then this plus button will appear. Just simply tap into that plus button and then you can name this space or folder at first, then after that change its privacy as your preference, and then you can change its status and color. And after completing all this customization, just simply tap into this create button at the top right corner. By following these very easy steps, you can easily create any of the folder into ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.